Rowing is a sport that is super data intensive. There's very limited data on the water. This became a really interesting opportunity to try to take those training practices and integrate them onto the water in a more seamless way than just like chucking a bunch of heavy computers onto a thing where you're really focusing on weight and power and stuff like that. A lot of my work is about asking questions around that intersection of physical and digital experiences. What does that mean? How do they work together? And what do we understand about the relationship between the two things? Research has shown that the visual spectrum is not very good at picking up minute changes in complex patterns. We've taken a lot of inspiration from like video game design. So you could think of like a driving simulator that the controller might be constantly vibrating to indicate the road surface, and you're able to kind of interpret and change how you might drive that thing as it gets smoother or bumpier, right? So we've designed a whole series of patterns and then building an application that would allow us to set gradients where you could take an input like heart rate or power or really any sort of input you want to monitor and determine this is the threshold I want to stay at. What we're trying to do is build a toolkit of strategies, patterns, frequencies, locations on the body, etc., that we can then start to apply to other compromised environments. That relationship between design and other disciplines is where really exciting things start to happen.